Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Knowledge class. Guess the animal name. Farm animal. Game mechanic. Read the clue carefully. Guess the farm animal name. It's a big farm animal. It likes to eat grass. It makes the sound moo. It provides milk. Guess the name. Cow. It's a cow. It can lay eggs. It has feathers. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Guess the name. Hen. It's a hen. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound baba. Guess the name. Sheep. It's a sheep. It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It makes the sound neigh. It can be ridden. Guess the name. Horse. It's a horse. It makes the sound bleat. It provides milk. Its baby is called a kid. It likes to eat grass. Guess the name. Goat. It's a goat. It makes the sound bray. It can carry heavy load. Its baby is called a foal. It is a hard-working animal. Guess the name. Donkey. It's a donkey. It makes the sound oink. It is kept for meat. Its baby is called a piglet. It's like to play in mud. Guess the name. Pig. It's a pig. It makes the sound grunt. It's like to eat thorny plant. Its baby is called a calf. They are capable of carrying heavy load. Guess the name. Camel. It's a camel. Good job. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye.